Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Murshid Hall, lecturer in mathematics, and most welcome to my channel, Murshid Maths Tutoring. Hello, students and viewers. How are you today? Hopefully, you are fine. Today, we are going to solve motion of particles in a plane problems. I mean, chapter 9. This one is very important because from this chapter, one question came. This one, this lecture is basically for grade 12 students. So I hope my dear students, you are with me and try to join with write down your name and a student ID. Okay, within 2 minutes we will start our topic. Now try to join. Okay, this lecture is very important. Don't miss the lecture. Previous lesson we discussed f equal to u plus ft. I mean both and s equal to ut plus half ft square. Okay, today we'll discuss also this one. Please take it to u square plus 2fs. This one you can solve two method. I mean with definite integral and with the help of indefinite integral also you can do. So I think definite integral is very easy for you. Okay, so try to join. I want to record how many students present on are there. Okay, by this time Jarin Jolly joined, Maimuna Thorni also joined, Walaikum Salam, everybody, Jubair Ahmed joined, Fatima Taslim joined, and Maimuna Thorni, Nafisa Nijor, Habiba, Mutasin Bashar, joined, Tanvin Bil Habib, Onita বিশ্বাস, Maria Khatun, Faiza Joy, Salam. Faiza Joy, tell me how are you, sir? Alhamdulillah. And what about you? What about your study? Ainuddin also joined. Sanjira Jannat joined. Okay. Try to join. This class is basically for physics type problem. Okay. At first, try to write down these questions in your notebook. How many questions are there? There are three questions. One, two, three. These are very, very important questions. And this one basically came B number and C number. A number like this, B equal to U plus FT or definition. But B and C, if B number proof and C number like that, what mathematical problem will come. So try to write down these three problems in your notebook. Motasin, what do you want to say? Hmm. So by this time, if you don't what subscribe my channel, you can subscribe my channel to get educational update videos. Mahidan also join, IB also join. Thank you very much. Try to join. Oh, this one, Mutasim Bashar, previous month, more than 400 like this. Okay. Have you finished your writing? Wajiha also joined. Shajid Rahman also joined. Okay. Try to finish these three problems. Muhammad Arif wants to join. This one clear or not? If you have any conclusion, this are not clear, good. Please let me know. Is it okay or not? Ritu Anubhav also join. Thank you very much. Maria Abubakar also join. Okay, have you finished your writing? Please let me know. Little. Okay. This one, a particle moving along a straight line. This one along a straight line with uniform acceleration f. Show that f equal to 2 s1 by t1 minus s by t divided by t plus t1, where s is the space described in t second and s1 during the next t1 seconds. Okay, this one is very easy. A particle uh, moving or moving straight from the point O with initial velocity u, uniform acceleration f. Same writing you can write in each and every required question like this. And requires a velocity v at b, and it covers a distance as 1 in time t1, here distance as in time t2. Time. Finish? Have you finished your writing? Okay. So one number is easy for you or not? Question number one, I think. Okay, I want to wrap this one. See, question number one is there. This one you can explain. Let a particle moves starting from the point O with initial along a straight line AB with initial velocity what u uniform acceleration f, and it covers a distance s in time t and achieve a velocity v at t like this. Okay, previous class you wrote this one. Just I want to draw the figure here along a straight line AB and initial velocity u, acceleration f, distances and time t equals velocity v at p. Okay. previous class I wrote this one, you can write. Okay, this one. Let a particle or let a moving particle starting from the point to along a straight line AB like this. We know what the rate of change of displacement with respect to time t is called what? For me, it's called. Shoaib also join. Okay, we know the rate of change of displacement with respect to time t is called. Response me. It's called velocity. Thank you very much. It's called velocity. That is v equal ds by dt. Okay. Our focus is what? D square equal to d square plus twice fs. We need to prove this one. We need final velocity, initial velocity, distance, acceleration also needed. So this one can be written as ds by dv into dv by dt. Same. Okay. This one can be written as ds by dv multiplied by dv by dt. If you cut this one and that one, then previous position this will come. So no problem. ds by dv. Okay, we know the rate of change of velocity with respect to time t is called acceleration. So this one can be written as f. Okay. So now after cross multiplication we get b dv equal f ds. This one equation number 1. Now integrating both sides we get. Now integrating. So here, if you, with the help of definite integral, this one is very easy to solve. Definite integral means C. Suppose this one is a what? V dv, or only velocity is there, dv. So here initial velocity means 0 and final velocity v. So how can you solve? Integration dx means x. Integration dx means what? X. So here integration dv means v. Here final velocity v and what? Upper limit. This one is called upper limit and that one is called lower limit. So lower limit to upper limit means 0 to b. So here initial velocity can consider u and final velocity v. So this one can be written as b minus u, like this. The upper limit minus what? Lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So here also you can put b dv, lower limit u, upper limit b. And here f and distance, initial condition distance s equal to 0 and final condition distance, this one s. Okay. So, or, okay, previous class you learned x dx means x square means here power 2, 1 plus 1, 2, and this power is divide by 2. So x square by 2 plus b. Here b dv means b square by 2. B square by 2, upper limit b, lower limit u. Here f and here integration ds means s 0 to s. Okay, how the constant term this one out of but integration. So b square b u f lower upper limit s minus lower limit. If you put s here s and lower limit 0, then you get s minus 0, means upper minus lower. Okay, half of here b square. If you put here b, that time you get b square. If you put u, then here minus u square fs, or b square minus u square equal to 2fs. Therefore, b square equal to u square plus 2fs proved. Actually, this one what? First part problem means definite integral, indefinite integral. You have to know this one, then you can solve easily. Okay, am I clear to you? If you have any confusion, you can ask me. At first, you have to know the formula integration dx means x, integration x dx means x square by 2. That's why integration b dv means what? b square by 2. And 2 is a what constant, so this is out of limit. So here b square, b and u. If you put upper limit here, first time b square minus always lower limit. If you put here u, then u square fs. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's move to second one. Second and third one is very important. Don't miss it. I think you can solve it within easily. Okay, show that second question. Finish. Have you finished your writing? Okay. Now let's move to question number two. At first, you can try to solve within 2-3 minutes, because if you know the three what formula, b equal to u plus ft, s equal to ut plus half ft square. Already proved this one. B square equal to u square plus 2fs, and s equal to vt, but b means average velocity, means initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2 into t. These are very important if you want to solve the problems in this what exercise. These are very important formula. Okay, so by using or with the help of this one, you can solve the whole problem. Show that I'm writing only what show one, because this one too much. Already I wrote this one. T plus T1. Okay, I wrote only this one. Okay, problem. Let's see. Okay, here uniform acceleration what? Uniform acceleration F, and initial velocity u means from the point A, you can write okay, and S T and achieve or equal velocity V at the point B. And here S1 at T1, and here C, and here final velocity, this one 0. Here, so you can write let the particle moves with initial velocity u, uniform acceleration f from the point A, and process a b equal to s distance in time t. Okay, you can write let the particle moves with initial velocity u, initial velocity here u, uniform acceleration f, uniform acceleration f from the point A, from the point, it's up to you, it's very easy, you can write down as you wish, from the point A, and process or covers or describe, you can write anyone, and process A be equal to S distance in time t second. In time what? T second, or in time t. In time t, and achieve a velocity v at b, or you can acquires achieve, you can write down, and then process bc equal to s2 distance. Here see, here we equal to s distance in time t, here b is equal to s1 distance in time t1. Sorry, not s2, this one s1, because our previously s1 and t1, s and t. If question like this, s1 and t1, s2 by s2 and t2, then you can write a to b, this one s1 distance and time t1 second. And in case of bc, you can write s2 distance in time t2 seconds. Okay, but here s and s1 is there in your question or demanding things, that's why you can write s and s1. Okay, then process b is equal to s1 distance in time t1. Okay, for the first part of, there are two parts, you can do in two ways or two cases. For the first part of AB, there are two parts, one part is AB and another part is what, BC. So for the first part of AB, you can write distance as equal to ut plus half of ft square, because here uh, t time t, distance s, and acceleration also uniform acceleration v. That's why f. Or here initial velocity means what? 0. Then you can write s by t, dividing both sides by what? Dividing both sides by t, you get s by t equal to u plus half of ft. This one you can consider equation 1, and velocity v equal to u plus ft. This one equation 2. Okay, first part is finished. Second part, for the second part of BC, you can write S1 equal to what? BT1 plus half of FT1 square. Clear, my dear student? Any confusion? Here, see, here initial velocity here means final velocity of first one. So S1 equal to BT1 plus half of FT1 square. Here initial velocity is B for the second part of BC. Okay, if you divide by T1, then we get S1 by T1 equal to B plus half of FT1. Clear? Okay, so here S1 by T1 equal to B means what? This one is given for the first part, U plus Ft plus half of Ft1. This one equation number 3. Okay, what is the demand equation? Minus sign is there. So if you subtract 2 from 3, then you will get, okay, I mean 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. Subtracting 3 and 1 from 3, you will get the result. I mean, this one minus that one. So S1 by T1 minus S by T, then you will get the result. Clear? Try to solve, my dear student. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, we get S1 by T1 minus S by T equal to C. Here U also there, here also U there. So U cancel, and Ft minus half of Ft. It will be half of Ft plus half of Ft1. Okay, so try to, for the proof, half of F common, T plus T1. Answer is almost finished. We have to find the proof F, or side change T plus T1 equal to, this one goes to left side and that one goes to right side. S1 by T1 minus S by T, or F equal to 2 S1 by T1 minus S by T divided by T plus T1. Sure. Okay. Am I clear to you? Okay. What about others? Finish. Okay. Now let's move to second one. Okay. Finish writing. Second one also will be important. What is the question of second one? No, sorry. Third one. Third question also will be important. I wrote this one. A particle starting from the rest moves in a straight line, firstly with uniform acceleration f1, then with uniform retardation f2. First one is what? Uniform acceleration f1, and second one is retardation. Retardation means what? Here minus. If it comes to rest in time t, measure from the beginning after having described a distances. Okay, means after what? Passing a distance as in time t, if this one is stop, then prove that t equal to root 2 f1 f2 by s f1 by f2 t square by 2s 1 by f1 by f2. Okay, first you can write down the proof here. Here, uniform acceleration f1 from A to B. Okay. Can prove that number one d square by d square by 2s equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Number two d square equal 2s 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Okay, with the help of what? Three number information, you can solve this one, and last one. T equal 2s f1 plus f2 by f1 f2. Okay. Clear, my dear student. Now we can write down what is the figure like this: A to B, B to C. Figure here A to B this and C. So here uniform acceleration F1. A to B this one uniform acceleration, that time initial velocity u equal 0. Okay, here distance f equal to distance s1 in time t1. Clear? Okay, for BC and velocity v at B. Okay, and here for the part of BC, distance S2 and time T2. Uniform retardation. See, acceleration means this one what? Moving towards, and retardation means what? Opposite. Means symbol like this. F2 and uniform retardation here, and B is equal to S2 distance in time T2, and final velocity here 0. Final velocity equal 0. Okay, so we can say total distance is equal to S1 plus S2, and total time T equal to T1 plus T2. Clear, my dear student? So now we can write down, you can, with the help of this figure, you can write a statement, means let the particle moves with uniform acceleration F1 from A to B in time T1. Okay, you can write, let the particle moves with uniform acceleration F1 from A to B in time T1. In time T1, let the particle moves with uniform acceleration F1 from A to B in time T1, where AB equal to S1 kilometer. Okay. Then it moves uniform retardation F2 from B to C in time T2, where B is equal to S2 kilometer. By the condition S equal to S1 plus S2 and time T equal to T1 plus T2, means because this one when described as this in time T, then this one has stopped. So it means total distance S equal to S1 plus S2 and total time T equal to T1 plus T2. Clear? Okay, only the finished writing. Thank you very much. Now for the, you can try to same way for the first part of AB, for the second part of BC, you can find what initial velocity B equal to velocity B equal to U plus Ft. Okay, for the first part of AB, B equal U plus F1 T1, or V equal 0 plus F1 T1. Clear, my dear student? F1 T1, or we F1 T1, we need to solve T. What is the T1? T1 means B by F1. Equation 1, and S equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2 into T1. T1, or S1 equal to B T1 by 2. This one equation 2 for the first part of AB. Similarly, for the second part of BC, for the second part of For the second part of BC, final velocity is 0, B minus F T2, or say F2 T2, or T2 equal to B by F2, this one equation 3. Okay, here final velocity 0, initial velocity V, and being this one retardation, that's why here minus sign is there. Clear? And S2 equal to initial velocity V, and here final velocity 0 by 2 into T2, or S2 equal to B to 2 by 2, equation 4. Equation 4. Okay, now adding equation 1 and 2. Now adding equation 2 and 4, you will get S1 plus S2 means, okay, you can join equation 2 and 4 and equation 1 and 3, then you will get the result. Okay, only two minutes. Okay, adding equation 2 and 4. 2 plus 4, we get S1 plus S2. S1 plus S2 equal to B T1 by 2 plus B T2 by 2, or B by 2 common T1 plus T2 means total distance, total time T, and here total distance S equal to B T2 by 2. You can write this one equation number 5. Again adding equation 1 and 3, will get T1 plus T2 equal to C. B by 2 common here. B by 2 T1 plus T2. Okay. Here T1 plus T2. B common 1 by okay. Here B common 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2, or T1 plus T2 means T B 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Okay, or B means 2S by T. See here, B means what? B means 2S by T. So this one 5 number. Or you can write B means 2S by T equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Now see, this one almost finished. T into T after cross multiplication, you will get T square equal to 2S 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Okay, see, T square by 2S dividing both sides by Ts, you will get 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Okay, one number is over. Now what about second number? Second number also here finished. So okay, and third number, how can you solve third number? Third number C. This one second. Third number, or T square equal to 2S, we are taking LCM, F1 plus F2, F1 by F2, taking LCM here, or cross taking a square root, then we get 2S F1 plus F2 by F1 F2 root. Okay, here total distance S1 plus S2, that's After adding 2 and 4, you will get what? S equal to bt by 2 or b equal to 2s by t. Now, here 1 plus t1 plus t2 equal to b 1 by f1 and 1 by f2 means taking b as a common. T1 plus t2 means total time t and b means here c. If s equal to bt by 2, then b equal to 2s by t. Okay, just putting this value here 2s by t, 1 by f1, 1 by f2. Okay, t into t, it becomes t square equal to 2s, 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. This one proof means two numbers. Let's see what one number proof. How can you solve? Here 2s, dividing both sides by 2s, you will get t square by 2s equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Okay, see, taking a same here, f1, f2, then get f1 plus f2, then taking a square root on both sides, then you'll get the result. Okay. If you have any confusion, please let me know. Then I want to start the session. Clear, my dear student? Clear? Okay. Thank you for watching. Next class, I'll discuss another 2 3 problems. So try to solve this one nicely because these are very easy for you because you did it physics also. So don't waste your time. Try to utilize your time. Best of luck. Masalama. Assalamu alaikum.